Children, how are you all? Children, today we will introduce alphabets Q, R, S, T. Okay? Q, Qu, quill. R, R, rap. S, sun. T, tree. I will show you some other pictures of related to this alphabets. Children, see, I have made some flashcards related to these alphabet. Which alphabet it is? It's Q. And Q, queen. Q, queen. And which alphabet it is? R. R, rabbit. S, sun. Which alphabet it is? It's T. T, tiger. Okay, we'll repeat it once. Q, queen. R, rabbit. S, sun. T, tiger. Now, children, I have made alphabets flashcards of U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay. Now we have some pictures related to these flashcards. Children, now we will match these pictures with their related alphabets. What is this? U. U, a umbrella. And where is umbrella? This is a flashcard of umbrella. We'll match it with U. U, a umbrella. What is this? V. V, van. V, van. And next alphabet U, V, then W. W, watch. Watch. W, watch. And next alphabet is X. X, Xmas tree. X, Xmas tree. Next alphabet is Y. Y, yak. Y, yak. We'll match Y with yak. And which alphabet is Z? Z is a zebra. Z is a zebra. Okay, student. Now you will come to know the alphabets related to their objects. Now you have to learn Q to Z alphabets related with their objects and with their phonetic sound also. Children, now I will teach you about how to write these alphabets. Okay? Children, first we will make capital Q. Then small q, make ulta C, then standing line and then make slanting line. It's Q, quill. And I know you know how to write capital R. This is capital R and this is small r. And what is this? S. Capital S. This is capital S and now small s. Capital T and this is small t. Okay, students? Now you will practice these alphabets in your book or in any loose sheet or any copy, English copy. Okay? We'll practice these alphabets in our notebook. It's capital Q, small q, capital R, small r, capital S, small s, capital T and this is small t. And their pictures Q, quill. Parents, you can make the pictures and help them. R, rabbit. S, sun or shape. Teeter, tree. Next is alphabet U. It is capital U and this is small u, capital V, small v, capital W. This is small w and capital X, small x, and U a umbrella. We were van और we were vase also, जिसको हम गुलदस्ता बोलते हैं. W were watch. X were Xmas tree. And next picture I am making it capital Y, it's small y, Z, and this is small z. Y याक भी लिख सकते हैं, बना सकते हैं, यो भी बना सकते हैं. यो की पिक्चर इजी होती है ये. एंड जी इज अ जेब्रा और जेब बना सकते हैं हम लोग. जेब्रा की पिक्चर डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगी बनानी. आई एम मेकिंग अ पिक्चर ऑफ जिप. जिप किस में होती है? हमारे बैग में, पैंट्स में, ड्रेसेस में. ओके, दिस इज नाउ students, you have to practice these alphabets in your notebook. Okay, thank you.